Imagine standing at the epicenter of the greatest technological revolution in human history. Data centers are rising at record speed. Trillions of dollars are pouring into AI infrastructure, and every major company on the planet is desperately racing to modernize its technology backbone before it gets left behind. In this environment of explosive demand and relentless innovation, three companies have emerged as the indispensable foundation. The machines that manufacture the smartest chips, the enterprise AI platform that turns raw intelligence into real business outcomes, and the global connectivity cloud that makes everything fast, secure, and scalable. These are not speculative bets. They are mission-critical leaders with enormous moats, proven execution, and powerful secular tailwinds that could drive multi-year compounding returns. If you want to own the picks and shovels of the AI gold rush, these three stocks deserve serious allocation right now. ASML, the undisputed master of advanced semiconductor lithography. ASML is the critical enabler at the very heart of the semiconductor revolution. As the world's sole supplier of extreme ultraviolet EUV and high-NA EUV lithography systems, the company holds a near monopoly on the technology required to produce the most advanced AI accelerators, logic chips, and memory solutions powering today's AI boom. Without ASML's machines, companies like TSMC, Intel, Samsung, and SK Hynix simply cannot manufacture the cutting-edge processors that fuel large language models, training clusters, and inference workloads. In its Q1 2026 earnings released on April 15th, ASML delivered a standout performance that underscored this dominance. The company reported 8.8 billion euros in total net sales, achieving a robust 53% gross margin and 2.8 billion euros in net income, translating to basic earnings per share of 7 euros and 15 cents. This beat expectations with strong contributions from both system sales, including multiple high-NA EUV tools, and its high-margin installed base management business, which generated 2.5 billion euros. ASML shipped 79 lithography systems in the quarter, reflecting intense customer demand. Most importantly, management raised full-year 2026 guidance significantly, now expecting total net sales between 36 billion euros and 40 billion euros, with gross margins of 51 to 53%, up from the prior range of 34 to 39 billion euros. Q2 guidance calls for 8.4 to 9.0 billion euros in sales. This upgrade reflects surging AI-related orders, accelerating fab expansions, and strong demand across both advanced and mature nodes. While export restrictions to China remain a factor, China represented 19% of Q1 system sales. The overall demand momentum from AI leaders more than offsets this. ASML's massive order backlog, technological leadership, and recurring revenue stream from its installed base create exceptional visibility and resilience. For investors, ASML offers leverage exposure to the multi-year AI semiconductor supercycle with strong pricing power and margin upside as high-NA tools ramp. IBM, the trusted enterprise AI, hybrid cloud, and software powerhouse. While many chase hyperscale AI hype, IBM is quietly building the most practical, secure, and governable AI solutions for the world's largest enterprises. Through its watsonx platform, Red Hat hybrid cloud capabilities, and strong software and infrastructure portfolio, IBM helps Fortune 500 companies deploy AI responsibly while modernizing legacy systems, a massive addressable market that others struggle to penetrate. IBM kicked off 2026 with impressive Q1 results announced on April 22nd. Revenue reached $15.9 billion, up 9% year-over-year, 6% at constant currency, driven by double-digit growth in software and infrastructure segments. Operating non-GAAP gross profit margins expanded, pre-tax income grew strongly, and diluted operating EPS hit $1.91. Free cash flow was a standout at $2.2 billion, up 13% year-over-year and marking the highest Q1 free cash flow in a decade. The company also raised its quarterly dividend to $1.69 per share. IBM's financial model remains rock solid. Consistent margin expansion, disciplined capital allocation, and a growing recurring revenue base. While growth is more measured than pure-play AI names, the combination of AI upside, defensive qualities, and shareholder-friendly policies makes IBM a compelling core holding for the long term. In an era where enterprises are spending billions to avoid AI pilot purgatory, IBM's enterprise-grade solutions are increasingly becoming the default choice. Cloudflare Net, the high-performance connectivity cloud and AI-era cybersecurity leader. In a world where AI workloads demand ultra-low latency, massive scale, and ironclad security, Cloudflare operates one of the most advanced and expansive edge networks on the planet. The company delivers lightning-fast content delivery, zero-trust security, developer tools, and emerging AI inference capabilities, making it indispensable for modern digital experiences and agentic AI applications. Cloudflare is set to report Q1 2026 results on May 7th, with guidance for revenue of $620 to $621 million and continued healthy non-GAAP operating margins. The company enters the quarter with strong momentum, having delivered consistent high growth, improving profitability, and expanding adoption across enterprises. As of late 2025, it counted over 332,000 paying customers, including 38% of the Fortune 500, with strong net retention driven by usage-based expansion. Cloudflare's strategic positioning is particularly powerful in the AI era. Its 2026 threat report revealed how AI is transforming cyberattacks, lowering barriers for sophisticated exploits, enabling deepfakes, and powering high-velocity operations, while simultaneously highlighting Cloudflare's ability to counter these threats at global scale. The company blocks hundreds of billions of threats daily and is expanding its agent cloud, dynamic workflows, and security offerings tailored for AI agents and workloads. Features like application modernization support, edge computing, and secure AI inference help customers overcome legacy constraints and accelerate innovation safely. The AI supercycle is still in its early innings, but the infrastructure layer is already seeing explosive, sustained demand. ASML provides pure-play leverage to semiconductor manufacturing capacity. IBM delivers stable enterprise AI adoption with strong cash returns, and Cloudflare powers the secure, high-performance edge required for next-generation applications. Together, these three stocks offer a balanced yet high-conviction way to invest in the foundational technologies enabling the AI future. With strong recent results, raised guidance where applicable, and clear competitive advantages, they stand out as compelling opportunities for long-term investors seeking both growth and durability in this transformative era. The time to build positions in these AI infrastructure leaders is now.